Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to use Zoho Project for task sequencing. This is a vital skill for project management, ensuring that your tasks are arranged logically and efficiently. First up, log into your Zoho Project account. Now, this is your command center, where you can navigate through all your projects and tasks. Once you're in, select the particular project you want to sequence. Now that we've done that, let's move to the next step: creating or selecting the task list. The reason we do this is to have a clear and organized view of all the tasks involved in your project. Next up, we have task sequencing. This is where you set the order of your tasks. You do this by clicking on a task and dragging it up or down the list to set its position. This helps us because it allows us to create a logical flow of tasks, ensuring that each task is executed in the right order. Let me explain why this matters. Task sequencing can dictate the success of your project. It ensures that you are not missing any steps and that all tasks are done in a strategic and logical manner. After sequencing tasks, it's time to set dependencies. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Dependencies determine the order in which tasks need to be performed. You set them by clicking on a task, selecting the dependency option, and then choosing the task it depends on. This step is crucial because it prevents tasks from starting before their prerequisite tasks are completed. And that's it. Your tasks are now sequenced and ready to be executed in the most efficient way. Remember, successful project management is all about organization and strategic planning. By sequencing your tasks in Zoho Project, you're already one step closer to project success. Thanks for joining us today, and see you in the next tutorial.